Hey, good afternoon, fam. Good afternoon. Hope all is well. Hope all is well. Hey, listen. Okay. So I love to share great news and great stories, right? Because some of you guys know what I do for a living, right? So last year, I helped a client move a significant amount of money into an annuity, right? And the client decided that they're gonna retire this year, and so we called the annuity company, and this man is structured to get over $60,000 in income a year from his annuity, right? Listen, um, there's a lot of moving parts and a lot of things in the industry right now that's trying to save a lot of people financially, right? But you have to get the information. You have to get the information if you want to save yourself. Over 30 to 40% of the people right now in America do not have any retirement savings at all. Okay, another 50 to 60% says that they know that they're not going to have enough money during retirement. That's a scary place to be, and we are here to help guide you along the way, to give you more security, to help you sleep better at night. So listen, we're having our next workshop coming up. The next one is for ladies only. The next workshop is for ladies only. Okay? And why is that important? A few years ago, a data came out that said there's an 80% chance that most women who retire will be impoverished during retirement. That could be your mother, that could be your sister, that could be your wife, that could be your neighbor, that could be your cousin. Listen, if you're watching this, I'm going to attach a flyer later on today for that next workshop. We're going to work with the ladies and show them how to make smart investment that's safe, and they can remove taxes from their distribution, which allow them to keep more money during retirement. We're also going to talk to them about long-term care, because women have a higher rate of having a need for long-term care because they live longer, right? Also, 50 million women plus in America right now currently do not have any life insurance at all. That's a scary number. Okay, so we're gonna go over all of that. We're also gonna show you, because ladies are buying houses right now at a rampant pace. We're gonna show you how to be able to pay that house off 10 to 15 years early, so you can get to keep more money and take that money and derive it to max fund your retirement, so that way you can live better in retirement. Okay, so listen, look out for the flyer, RSVP. We're trying to make this a cozy environment. We don't want 100 plus people. Okay, so we're gonna be doing it weekly, but each session is gonna be like a small class session. But you have to RSVP, and it's free. It is free information. Talk to y'all soon.